Welcome! If you've ever found yourself squinting at tiny text or wishing your Discord chats were just a bit easier to read, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to change the font scaling on the Discord app for PC using the latest update. This quick guide will help you customize your chat experience so you can read messages comfortably no matter your screen size. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your main Discord window. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on the gear icon to open up the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to enter the customization options for how Discord looks and feels. Inside the Appearance settings, scroll down until you see the Scaling section. Here, you'll find a slider labeled Chat Font Scaling. This slider lets you adjust the size of the text in your chats. Move the slider to the right to make the font larger, or to the left to make it smaller. As you adjust, you'll see a preview of how your chat will look, so you can find the perfect size for your eyes. Once you're happy with your new font size, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes will be saved automatically, and you'll notice the difference right away in your chat windows. That's all it takes to change font scaling on Discord with the new update. Customizing your chat font size can make a big difference in your comfort and overall experience, especially if you spend a lot of time on Discord. Enjoy your new personalized chat view.